Do you ever find yourself thinking about how to organize, share, and preserve the history around you, such as pictures, books, and memorabilia? At oTrak, including our Easy Photoscan division, we do. A lot. Since 2011, oTrak's Easy Photoscan division has been an active, contributing member of the Library of Congress's National Digital Stewardship Alliance, or NDSA, working with their outreach group. The NDSA helps organizations and people to preserve their digital heritage for generations to come. One of the tools that Easy Photoscan works with in its relationship with the NDSA is an open-source program called Omeka. Omeka is a web-based content management system that allows organizations a way to organize, search, and digitally publish parts of their collections. It also allows them to receive digital contributions of assets from their support communities. Let's take a look at an Omeka instance set up by oTrak's Easy Photoscan division for the nonprofit Florida Hospital Foundation to showcase scanned photos, scanned documents, and photographs of other historical assets from an important Central Florida community institution with over 100 years of history to share and protect. Omeka is accessed through an ordinary web browser, such as Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari, or Internet Explorer. It allows aesthetically pleasing themes to customize the site's appearance. Content items are organized as items in collections. Select groups of items can also be showcased in galleries for special exhibits. The home link brings users back to the main screen. Clicking on Browse Collections allows users a way to access the scanned items or the otherwise digitally contributed items in a logical format. For example, Collection 1, Photographs, 3592, Photographs of Florida Sanitarium. This collection contains everything that is in album number 3592 of a photo album. Clicking on the collection allows us to browse through the images from this photo album. You'll notice that it supports tags, file names, and other metadata that can be entered in for each object. Multiple images can be stored with the same item. For the sake of photographs in this collection, the backsides of the photographs, which included some useful notes, were incorporated along with the front side of the photograph so that these could be used and accessed by other users down the road, much like the paper copy would be used. Other Dublin Core indexing data may also be incorporated here to make the item easier to find in the future. For example, we notice that Hurricane Donna is mentioned here. We can click in the search box do a search for Hurricane Donna and find other resources that were tagged with this particular storm event. Browse Exhibits works much the same way that Browse Collections does, but this allows the gallery a way to exhibit similar items that may be scattered across multiple collections under a themed collection. Browse Items gives users a way to take a look at the individual items one at a time. You'll notice that there are pictures of physical items incorporated here, as well as entire documents scanned as PDF files with optical character recognition or OCR applied. These files can be downloaded, or using a special viewer that uses Google's PDF viewer from its Google Docs system can actually be viewed right there in the browser. Since they have OCR applied, the text is selectable. And if we're to open up the PDF file itself, we can do a search within the PDF for particular words and go right to where they occur. Clicking on Contribute an Item gives you a way to engage with your community on a whole new level. Select the type of item that the user wants to contribute. They can upload files, in this case an image file. Then they can add some basic description of this. Give it a name. Submit their email address. A reCAPTCHA phase makes sure that it is a real person submitting the item. The person agrees to the terms and conditions of submitting the item, clicks on Contribute, where then the file is uploaded along with the information and the story behind it. This waits for an administrator to take a look at it, assign it to a permanent collection, and also set the permissions of the item so that it is publicly viewable by their patrons and other interested community members. oTrak's Easy Photo Scan division is proud of the work it's been able to do with the Library of Congress's National Digital Stewardship Alliance outreach group, and with the work that it's been able to do for the Florida Hospital Foundation. We hope this brief video overview of Omeka and how it can be implemented to share and collect digital assets encourages you to think of ways to encourage digital preservation within your community and organization. Since 1995, oTrak Incorporated has been a leader in content-sensitive records, document, and data management. Originally focused around helping mammography facilities meet the requirements of the Mammography Quality Standards Act, in 2004, oTrak's Document Management division expanded its scope to include scanning and managing millions of pages of content-sensitive documents from other areas, including human resources, financial, legal, medical, and aircraft records. Starting in 2010, oTrak began applying its wealth of expertise in imaging and content management to helping people, businesses, and organizations scan, preserve, and share their photographs and archival-type documents.